Hello and welcome to TYCOONseries channel. My name is Carlos and I teach you Sesotho in English. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so right now because you're going to be learning so much more in this video and the upcoming videos. Welcome. In this video, we're going to talk about the sounds of the alphabet and the sounds of the special double consonant. Now, let's go straight to it. We have the alphabet A, which is R, just like in the word apple. And then we have B, which is B, just like in the word boy. And then we have C. C is a very special alphabet because it always exists in combination with the alphabet H to make the sound ch, ch. So in every Sesotho word, C will always be followed by H and nothing else. And then we have the alphabet D. D does not exist at all in Sesotho. And then we have E, which is A, just like in egg. And then we have F, which is F, just like in the word farmer. And then we have G. G is also a special alphabet because it always exists in combination with the alphabet N. That is, in every word, G will always follow N to make the sound just like in the English word belong, as in we belong together. And then we have the alphabet H, which is just like in the word home. And then we have J, which is J, just like in the word jackal. And then we have the alphabet K, which is K, just like in the word kick. And then we have L, which is L, just like in the word left. And then we have M, which is just like in the word mother. And then we have the alphabet N, which is just like in the word, just like in the name Nade. Make sure that you don't confuse with And then we have the alphabet O, which is O, just like in the word orange. And then we have the alphabet P, which is P, just like in the word pop. And then we have the alphabet Q, which is very special because most of the click sounds from Sesotho come from this alphabet Q, which is just like in the English word there's none. And then we have the alphabet R, which is from the back of your mouth, just like in the word remember. And then we have the alphabet S, which is S, just like in the word stay. And then we have the alphabet T, which is T, just like in the word tin or tea. And then we have the alphabet U, which is U. And then we have the alphabet V, which does not exist at all in our language. And then we have W, which also does not exist. And then we have the alphabet X, which exists only and only once in one word. That is in the word NXA, which means damn it or damn. And then we have the alphabet Y. Y is also a special alphabet because it only exists in combination with the alphabet N. In every case, Y will always follow N to make the sound just like in the English word new. And then that's it. let's move on to special cases of double consonant. We have OE, which is way. OE makes the same sound that the English W makes. For example, we have iwili, which means it has fallen. Iwili, which sounds exactly like iwili, but with W. You can realize that OE sounds the same way as the English W. The second example of the combination that makes a W sound is OA, which is wa. For example, hoa, which means to fall. Hoa. And then you will notice that hoa sounds exactly the same as hoa, but with W. So OA and OE makes the same sounds as the English W. That's a special case. Moving on to the second case, whenever L is followed by I or U, it makes a D sound, the English D sound. For example, we have deferred, that is Li, but it sounds like the English D-I, deferred. But it's different from when L is followed by any other vowel. For example, when L is followed by E in the word Lesotho, it doesn't sound like a D, like the English D. But whenever L is followed by I or U, then it makes a D, the English D sound. The second example will be dumel, that is Lu, dumel, which means hello. Thank you very much everyone for watching, and I hope we meet again in the next video. Please do remember to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified every time we upload a video. See you.